this is not a cake stand, it's just a silver platter. So what I was thinking, I got some stuff. I placed an order from Temu earlier this week, or a couple weeks ago, and I finally totally forgot what I ordered, but I think we're gonna use this little frame. I think we're gonna kind of like do a little, we're gonna do some of this, we're gonna do some of this, and then I think we're gonna do this paper. This is from Digital Deco Designs, Kathy. At Digital Deco Designs, I think we're gonna use this one. I kind of like this one, do it in the middle. We're gonna put this down as our base. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the tray or not. I'm just kind of scoring it with my finger. Paper, and this is my decoupage medium. This is Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. All right, we're just gonna put this on right there. Look how cute that is. This frame did have a back to it. I took it all off. It had like one of those little easel type things. All right, so we're just gonna take this. I'm gonna use this one down here, and all I'm gonna do is determine, I guess, where I want the picture to be, you know? So we have to get everything just right before so this is the top, and then this is gonna go, we're just gonna decoupage this right in here. So it's gonna look like that. So you're just gonna use a little decoupage medium, just a tad, my brush, just right on that glass. Just remember, you're gonna put your image upside down, pretty side down. I just have to find, there's the top. That's the center. I want this to be centered up with that. Look at how cute that is. Now, to keep that nice and bright, I think we should paint the back of it. Seal this. All right. I think what I'm gonna do is use a little bit of B7000. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of B7000. And then we'll do a little bit of hot glue. That'll give us both temporary and long-term hold. Okay, I'm gonna stick this right in the center. So. Look at how cute! I think it's darling. You know me, I like to use jute. So we'll do a double row. We'll do jute and then we'll do the bling trim. All right, so I think what we'll do is we'll put the second round of jute. I like it, see, I like jute. We'll put the bling around here. I like B7000 better than E6000, yes. Only because it sets up faster. Excellent, look how pretty. You guys can't really tell the sparkle, but it's super sparkly. It's really pretty. So now, what do you guys think about the sides? I'm thinking black with gold highlights and just leaving this silver. Now here guys, when you're going on all these little details, don't be a stickler. Just, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just, you know, if you get a little bit on your tray. I am gonna do it kind of heavy down on all that detail though. But the florals, I'm gonna try to be kind of fractal around here. Doesn't it look pretty so far? Look at it. All right, we're done with that. You don't. How look at how pretty. I don't think we need to do anything on this part. Now though, I am gonna take the, see, I think clear crystals. All right, we're gonna do red and clear. I like the red and the clear. Oops. I am just using a dab of glue. You need like literally like a pin drop's worth. And then you'll see how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna work like in these two straight lines right here. And if you just follow the pattern of the paper, see those little crystals in there? And little clear ones and red ones. So I'll do that all the way around so that whole thing will be covered up. And I'll probably add a bunch over here, but you know, I'll spend hours doing all kinds of red and clear crystals all over this tray because that's what I do. Now I want to add in, I think I do want to take this. This is from the new Valentine's pack from Totally Dazzled. I think I want to put this there. I love it. Right across. I love, and see, I don't think we need to do anything on the outside of the tray where the silver. All right, you guys are amazing. Stay sparkly, my friends, and stay warm.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.